Hi guys, this is a video about the EvenFlo car seat. This can hold up to 110 pounds in weight. So from about 20 pounds to 110 pounds. So you're talking about from a child to, from a baby probably to, oh, I'd say a toddler to maybe a 6 or 7 year or 8 year old sitting on this for some time. So once you buy it, you don't have to go around buying them, replacing your car seat. So let me pull it out of the box. Open the box already. This cost me about 80 bucks on Amazon, which is a good purchase. It's a very steady car seat, and it accommodates kids of different ages. And it's very simple to set up. So you have the harness here. You adjust them accordingly using this little button here. You can adjust it and then pull on the harnesses to make it bigger or make it looser. The sides, it comes with cup holders, which are great. So these are the cup holders that come with the car seat. They're very simple to install. They got slots that they go into and they just slide and fit. And then there's a little area for a screw, and I've got 2 screws that came with that. So not much equipment needed for this setup. Essentially just put it in, slides in, and it locks, and then flip the car seat. Do the same for the other armrest. And cup holders for your kids are essential. I don't care what age they are. So it's good to have cup holders close by. But yeah, so simple install. Fit them in there, put the screws in the back. Then looking at the back of it, it's very simple. It's got a 3 harness type setup. So you can lock this into right above the seat if your car comes with that. And then these other locks, these go onto the side. So if you have on your car, you can go ahead and plug that in, and locks and keeps your car seat that much steadier. So you got 2 of them going down, locking into the sides of the car. And then on the back you have a space right there where you can put your seat belt that comes with your car, obviously goes in and locks. But yeah, very decent purchase. I'm proud of it, and I think it was very affordable, and it will be good for my kid who's getting out of the back facing car seat. So I flipped it over to install the screws. Just to give you an idea, this is where they go. This is the armrest. This is the top, and this is the bottom. And that attaches to the base. So you have those 2 screws for the cup holders. So just be aware of those. And there it is. So the cup holders are screwed in and they're tight. And now I'm ready to, had my daughter sit in here, so I adjusted the harnesses. And it's perfect for her. And so it clips, as you can tell, these 2 clip together, and then these go down to the base. Very self-explanatory. But yeah, look how steady it is. And my daughter weighs about 36 pounds, and she's loving it already. Just sitting it even before he gets into the car. So good purchase. EvenFlo. Now I'm just getting ready to install it in the car. So this is the current car seat that my daughter's using, and she's outgrown that. So it's back facing. The other one is going to be front facing because she's old enough. And so be removing that and replacing it with the other one. I'm getting ready to install the seat now. As you can see, my seat on the base, it has these little handles that you can hook into, and they're right there. There's 2 of them on each seat. So my of course my car seat comes with these little hooks, so it's just gonna go right there. Okay, right there. Of course I'm gonna tighten it and then do the same on the other side. Hook it right there. So now it's harnessed in the back, right? Of course we have to tighten these. And then my seatbelt on my car is gonna go through here in the back, and it will clip on the other side, just like somebody was sitting on it. So I will show you how that looks at the end. So this is what it looks like right now, securely installed. You got the two at the bottom, you got the car seat belt going through the back, and I've got this other piece, which is another hook that hooks onto the base of the back of the car seat. Some cars don't come with that provision, but mine does, so I'm gonna set that up and then show you as well. And this will be securely tight. See at the back now, securely installed on the back as well. So you've got the base on the right, base on the left, then the seat belt going through, then the back of that entire car seat coming all the way in and locking in on the back of the seat. So this is a very secure setup. Definitely recommend this EvenFlo. It's easy to set up, and it's very user friendly.